Mobile photography is an entirely new genre and branch of photography that became popular in the 21st century. We all carry a phone, and whether that be Apple or Android, we can't deny how impressive, equipped, and advanced is our camera phones. And in most cases, we don't even need to buy a professional camera because our mobile phones capture the perfect moment in HD. Plus, mobile phones are convenient. And so, welcome to Pathminds Academy, the leading online educational platform which aims to transform your life. Today, we offer the Mobile Photography Diploma course. This course will help you provide an easy-to-follow guide to unlocking the potential of your smartphone. During this course, you will learn the fundamentals of mobile photography and everything to help prepare you for your journeys, such as the introduction to mobile photography, exposure, shutter speed, ISO, aperture, composition, and lighting and editing. The outcome of this course is to help you feel confident and aware of the basics to help kickstart your mobile photography journey. If you're into snapping humble, intimate, and beautiful photos, you must already know that mobile photography is the future of visual art. To enhance your skills, please visit the website www.pathmindsacademy.co.uk and start the course. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit that like button for more fun and educational opportunities from Pathminds Academy.